On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. Hey, good morning. Do you want to do the intro, buddy? Come on. My son just got up. Hello. Do you want to do the intro? Do you want to do the intro? Here, look. We're just starting the show. We go, good morning, Otter gang, gang, gang. Can you say gang, gang, gang? Or are you too tired? Can you say gang, gang, gang? Say hi. Say good morning. Can you say gang, gang, gang? You don't want to talk this morning. You just want cuddles from Dad. Say, go, let's go. Nothing. They're all waiting for you to talk. You getting stage fright? You just want cuddles from Dad.
Mama.
You want Mama.
But
Can you say, go, let's go?
this.
Gang, gang, gang. Good job, buddy. Yeah. I'm going to go to work, okay? Good morning. Be good to your mom. I love you. My son just got up. Bitcoin's dying, guys. Bitcoin's dying. What's going on, gang? Little man. What a legend. What a legend, man. Down we go. He got up and he went, Dada, and he knocked on the door. And then he runs away. He's not a performing monkey like his father, Mojo Jojo. Guys, this is very bear market-esque price action. That's what I gotta say. Sporadic, dumpy, all over the place. You got No chance. That's what you got. Okay, 786 golden pocket. Right through it. Right through it like butter. Hot butter, baby. Hot butter. Butter. You know they don't pronounce the T in England. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Mommy always wins, man. She's got boobs. Let's be real. Nadeem, what's going on, Brack? Triple. Are we all short? Order block, retest, rotation down. I did short up here, but I got stopped out on this candle right here. This dirty bastard right here. Oh man, I did short. I can show you guys. You know, I tend to show you everything here. I feel like I'm exposed naked most of the time. But you can see here, I did short this morning trying to take this thing down, and I was correct. But right this morning, and I made a total of $9. Oh man, I lost $2,000 yesterday. I overtraded at the end of the day. I shouldn't have. I was up like I'd like to say 2,000 and a bit, and then I overtraded. So learned my lesson, but we're still up for the week. That's fine. Sometimes you got to risk it for the biscuit. But we were also talking yesterday about being a good loser, not blowing up. Very important. I started trading in here like an idiot, and I did get long here. I just, anyways, we don't need to talk about that. Short-term memory, guys. Damn, Solana. Solana's dying. Down we go. We got news data today. All right. We got news data. Good to see everybody here. Marion, Buck, Sniper. You suck. What's going on? I didn't mean to say you suck. It's just your name, man. Triple. Good to see you. Bratochka. Alexander G. The Discord doesn't work, invalid, or expired. You probably got kicked, man. I'm not going to lie. You probably got kicked and banned because the mods thought you were a threat to our community. That would be my guess, man. That would be my guess. Chantel, what's going on? Jesse, Crypto, Rob, Heavy, Machine Gun. I gave the mods full reign the other day to go and kick everybody. It ended up costing me a 4-hour headache. I'm not about to go through it again today. Top of the morning, Green Bud. Like I said, Sniper's Nightmare, $1,000 a week is not enough, bro. You'd be buying some legs with the amount of money you'd have to pay you to deal with the tickets. Crypto Rob, Alexander G, Heavy Machine, what's going on? Good to see you. Halfway up the candle, retest, continuation down, baby. Continuation down, NASDAQ rolling over. We got data coming out today, guys. We got our good old friend Core PCE. All right, so we got Core PCE GDP growth. Okay, I think this is going to come in positive. I think this is going to come in good. Doesn't matter. The market's still dumping. Okay, there's a lot of tension. There's a lot of tension in the air. I don't know. What do you guys think? Up, down, all around? Did the chicken come before the egg? You don't give a fuck. Okay. I like my crowd. I gave you the option because I know the crowd here is a very, I could put Bitcoin up or down. We could be boring ass people if we want. Bitcoin up or down, right? That's everybody else's poll, man. If you want to ride everyone else's poll, you can go right ahead. Shriyan, what's going on? Isaac, Steve Hickey. Good morning, everybody. Daniel, Hot, Scub, Greenbud, Matt, Jojo, Mojojojo, Mr. Willow, what's going on? Marion, good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Curtis Hill, Greenbud. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, man. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Assassin, Chris, Rashad. All right. Well, this is very choppy price action. Very choppy price action. And then it just dumps on people's heads. So our job here is to be patient. That's our job. We'll see. I wasn't patient yesterday. I lost money, right? I overtraded. You know, if I just shut it down, and we were talking about this yesterday, I made money, and then I tried to make more money, and I went to break even, and then I lost money. That's what I did yesterday. We were talking about this yesterday, right? So live and learn, right? I mean, the thing is you know, I took a 1%, not even. I took a 0.5% loss on the day. Okay, that's fine. It's very recoverable. Is that a full word? Recoverable. Looking for a pushback short. That's where we're at. Looking for shorts. See what this news brings. Maybe it's going to pump us to Valhalla. We're at the lows of the range. Sell wall given advance in the Discord yesterday. I don't know if you guys were up at 2:30 in the morning. Are we going to get those 2:30 in the morning dumps again? I remember it doing that forever. NASDAQ trying to hold here. SPY. Gonna be a fun day today, I tell you. It was like months on end where it would just dump at 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 2 a.m., dump. Short. Gaming, what's going on? Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Hype. Josh, good to see you. Haluk. Nadim, good to see you, man. I shorted Sol at 81. 68. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. 81.62. It's almost like you knew where to short it from. Nadim, good job. Good job, bro. Greenbud, Ali, man. What's up, fam? What's up, man? Good to see you. Random with hat. Thank you for being here. Rebellious. Nice doji dump on Solana. What's going on, everybody? Always riding the polls at 7 a.m., eh? Hey, Buck? RB Piper, what's going on, bro? How you doing? Is my mic off, or is it just you? Is the sound okay, guys? Sound check. Sound check. I think it's all right, man. I think it's just I think it's you, man. If it's not you, it's me. I think it's just you. I gotta buy that expensive one sooner or later. AF. Nice doji dump on Asia. Yeah, nice. What's going on, Sniper's Nightmare? Sorry, I'm late. Reheating last night's leftovers for lunch. Okay. Could live without chickens, but love eggs. One or the other? There's no choice in the matter. Crypto Crank, I have your song stuck in my head. What's going on, man? Zero trading for me. I'm in Florida relaxing. Nice, man. Nice. You're not missing out, man. I made Monday, Tuesday, up 6 G's, down 2 G's. So we're up like 4K this week, which is a great week so far, but this price action's shite, man. Good to see you, Andrew Cameron. How you doing, Dusty? Chicken first, obviously. Where would the egg appear from? Yeah, but like, what about like, I don't know. How does a chicken just get on the earth? It doesn't just pop up on the earth. Why crypto, Andrew Cameron, Mikey, good to see you. Good morning. Good pushback here on Solana. Bull divs. Chopping, man. Down to zero. Down to zero. Good morning, Shumi, Wally, Jesse. It's the mic sound is mucho bueno. See, that's the one, man. Sounds good. Thank you, guys. Wake up in the morning, liquidated wreck. Did you piss the bed or something, man? I'm sorry to hear that, Green Bud. Oh, man. Yeah, I love Church's honey rolls. Nice. Crypto Hefe, good to see you. Canada almost lost. We were watching the hockey game in the Discord yesterday, and Canada almost lost to Czechia. Oh, man. Good morning to everyone. Who came first, Adam or Eve? Obviously Adam. Come on, man. Eve was made from his rib, right? Have you ever heard the joke about Adam and Eve? It's like Adam was by himself at first, and he was he was working hard, plowing the fields, whatever, tilling, doing the dishes, cleaning the house, making the food. He was doing everything, and he's like, God, I need help. I need help, God. And God's like, well, I can give you some help. I can give you some help, but you're going to have to sacrifice something. Like, you're going to have to give me like a leg or a hand. You got to give me something. And then Adam goes, what can I get for a rib? Ba-dum-tsh. And that's the joke, guys. That's the joke. It's an old Jesus joke, man. There was another woman before Eve. Her name was Shemitris. She put the apples in there. No. Oh, man. Celebrini is nasty. Yeah, man. Except even his last name's nasty. Time to make donuts. I love doing donuts. Dinosaur laid eggs a long time before they evolved into chickens. Here we go. We got some philosophical stuff here. I don't think dinosaurs existed. I think it's all fake. I can really stir the pot now. Oh, man. What's going on, one way? Good to see you, man. Jesse, Rick, good morning. Tony, Belkin. I got wrecked today trying to trade London. Worst session. I mean, sell wall up here, double top, rotation down. I don't think it's that bad. You just got to know what you're looking for. Got order block, retest, continuation down. Double bottom here, bullish divergence. The first time besides here where it looks like it could potentially push up. But just selling off. Selling off clearly. NASDAQ rolling over, Bitcoin rolling over, Solana rolling over. Solana looking to come down to 78.2, Bitcoin looking to come all the way down to our 64,800 level. However, we do have data coming out in 20 minutes, so that could change the tide of everything here. We could get going in the retest of previous lows, continuation down here. Data, whatever you want to call it. Is it data or is it data? I would say it's data or data. 65K today, yeah. Dinosaurs were aliens and they left us the Sphinx. Okay. That's cool, man. Don't disrespect our religion, dude. What the F? I mean, it's just God will forgive us. God will always forgive us, man. That's all right. Hello, Alex O and others. What's going on, TM? Good to see you, bro. Let's target today 65. Next week we go to 60K. Okay. 63 is a good level. Where the lizard people evolved from. Well, I don't know, man. Are the lizard people... Put a 1 in the chat if the lizard people are real. I want to know where my audience lies on this. Like, I think Meghan Markle or whatever her name is, that evil lady with Harry. I think she's a lizard lady. There's some videos on that. Is there lizard people? Hillary Clinton? Was she a lizard people too? Well, they got these like long fingers and stuff too, right? Zuckerberg is a lizard for sure. Maybe he's just ugly, man. You ever think about that? Maybe he is the ugly stick. You know? God's like, I would have really liked to see Elon kick his ass, man. I would have paid good money to watch that. I would have really liked to watch Elon just give him a good old South African slap around. You know? Then name a Tesla after him. I make it really ugly, you know? Right? Bye, bye, Bitcoin pie. So much. Well, at least we're here together, taking in the dump. If you are new here, welcome. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15 in the morning. Taking trades, kicking ass, taking names, all that good stuff. Making crypto honest again. A good trade yesterday. We caught the long yesterday with everyone. That was fun. Then we go straight into the Discord today, and we trade live in the Discord. No time delay, all that good stuff. So join the Discord. Bitcoin's dumping. Bitcoin's dumping. It rolled over yesterday quite aggressively. You know, that sweep and go, and down we go. Right. So now it's about patience. Right. Now it's about patience. Coming back in, retesting the lows, dumping again. Looking to come into here, sweep the lows. 64,800's key. See if we come down to here. And maybe push back. We got news coming out in 8 minutes. So it's kind of risky to take a trade here. The thing is like we need, in order to be successful, we need to be shorting into these retests. Okay? Because there's always that violent snapback. And you don't want to be a victim of shorting the bottom and not getting the... And sometimes you short the bottom. There's a way to short continuation breakdowns, but it's way more riskier. Way more. So we be patient here, especially with news coming out in 7 minutes, guys. This is ugly. It's very ugly. Just bleeding out slowly. I mean, we have bottoming structure a lot of these areas, but I mean, why are we going to fight this trend? It's just simply down, right? So we can look to take it back up into here, but I mean, you don't need to be a wizard, Harry, right? Just patience here. So we'll see what materializes for the rest of the day. It is not disrespectful. That joke was nothing wrong. It's called Cybertruckberg. I think he made the Cybertruck after Tomb Raider's boobs. You know? Did you guys see that meme? I think that's exactly what he was doing. I mean, this guy's a walking meme, man. You know? I think he was like full on like Joe Rogan. Let's go, baby. Let's make it bulletproof too. Let's make it bulletproof, Lara. Right? Let's make it bulletproof. Bye-bye. See you later. Bitcoin going down. You're going to have to get a Karen meter. There should be a Karen meter. You should be able to put a Karen meter on the YouTube. I guess it's like fear and greed, right? Karen meter. There was a quick scalp coming in 6 minutes. There is 5 minutes now, buddy. We'll see. Marion, good to see you. Good morning, Rick. Rejected off the local poop line. Yeah, that's it, man. I feel like Elon would have given him titty twisters, yeah. Yeah, that's the problem. If Elon got hurt and he got like brain damage, we would all be screwed. But who knows? No more Optimus. It would be like Sloptimus. It would be like it would be so bad. Well, this is ugly, guys. If you're short, congratulations. I'm in zero niente trades, my friends. Zero. Marion. How many Marions do we have? I think that's 3 Marions. That's not a common name, Marion. Marion Crypto. That's going to be my new name. The Purple Nurples, yeah. And Noogies. Look at this thing drop. What's going on, Tony? Good to see you. Good to see you. Wick's wife, fine, 89. 370 people in here. 76 likes, guys. We're like 300 likes short here. Can we just tickle those? Also, before the news, if you want to register with Bitunix, that's cool. We got an awesome deal here. VIP for 6 months, 30% off all trading fees. Amazing discount. Deposit bonuses, trading volume bonuses. Use the link in the top if you want. I use it. It's good. Sol doesn't want to break 80. Sol's going to 78 minimum. 78.92. Bye-bye. See you later. Ciao. Arrivederci. I mean, if you're shorting the bottom here, you need some space. 2 minutes till news. It's not the ideal place to be shorting. Nasdaq bleeding out. Rollover since last night. Very aggressive. SPY is going to gap down today. Sheesh. Piper is calling for 30,000. What are you calling for, Piper? How low can we go? 37. I like the order block at 40. We'll see. Way below VWAP here. Yikes. We shall see. Overextended zone on VWAP. We did a good VWAP video yesterday, helping everybody kind of understand how I use it. 39, 40 to 45. I will buy Sol at 20. Your soul is mine. Nice. Piano Matty B was talking about 29. Sweet. Sweet, man. 30 seconds, guys. Great video, Alex. Thanks. Thanks for being in the family there, Ben. God bless you, man. Discord's on fire, man. We're making money in this crap, so you guys can do whatever you want. But we on fire in the Discord. Here we go. Here comes a boom, big pump. Big pump coming in. News-driven data. You guys ready? Here it comes. Dun 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 dun. Do do do. Nothing. Nasdaq, nothing. Bitcoin, nothing. It does not care. That's a warning sign right there. When core PCE coming in even, GDP coming up positively 4.4, which is good. Personal income coming up. All of this is coming up and we're still dumping. That's concerning. That's when you know the market's like, F your data. F your fake data. That's what the market just said. Because that's good GDP. GDP coming up. Look at that. Man. Core PCE. Doesn't care. It really doesn't care. Wow. NQ dumping. Bitcoin dumping. Whew. Shots fired, man. Pushback. Pushback order block. 5-minute order block up top here. Retest the previous lows. Possibility continuation down. Ooh, that little cheeky 8-minute order block's nice too. We'll see. Damn. She ugly, man. She's ugly today. Pushback? Nothing? You got nothing for us, eh? Damn. You like that data there, Piper? What do you think? Core PCE is tomorrow, legend. It just printed, man. How can you say it's tomorrow? Oh, it's tomorrow. I'm an idiot. Oh, it's Thursday today. Don't trick me like that. It's on Friday. I'm an idiot. You guys can put idiot in the chat, guys. Idiot. This is why I don't do the data, guys. You can call me Dada. What a dumbass. I just totally messed that one up, didn't I? I was looking for data this whole time. It was jobless claims. Oh, man. Negative self-talk, Alex. I got to be nicer to myself. This is one thing I'm working on. I'm trying to be nicer to myself. Hey, at the end of the day, I click buttons and make money. Right? At the end of the day, that's it. Idiot. Idiot. I think the chicken came before the egg, so don't listen to me. I should start doing Elliott wave theory. Eh? Then I'd really classify. We have an A to the B to the B to the C, B to the C to the A to the B. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sesame Street. Sorry. Sorry to all the Elliott wave theorists out there. There are some good ones. There's only 2 Elliott wave theorists that I respect. 3. Lunar Beaches, because he's my boy. Not that he uses Elliott wave theory. Coons Trading. And Andy. And that's it. Besides that, yeah, that was very beaver behavior. That was my King Beaver behavior, not Lord Otter. That was definitely against Lord Otter. Still drunk off that Canadian win. That's it, man. We are all euphoric. Mitch Marner, the first time he's ever performed under pressure. He's been choking for the Leafs for the last 9 years. And then all of a sudden he can score goals. All of a sudden he just magical Mitch just finds his stride for Team Canada. Not for the Leafs. Fails to do anything for the Leafs. All playoffs, every playoff run. And then so we had initial jobless claims. That's what I missed here. Okay, initial jobless claims came in under. This is what I missed here. It came below expectations here. Well below market expectations. Okay. Well below. Watch out, flashbang, guys. This was at like 5% the other day. It's still at 6%. Nothing burger. Nothing burger. Nasdaq's pushing back 3 drives at the lows. Damn, Solana just shite the bed, mate. My God. Overextended on VWAP here. Potential for a pushback. I'm looking for price to come into standard deviation -1 here. We'll see how it behaves. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream here. I got you all hyped up. How did I hype show that? I convinced all of you other people that we had news today, didn't I? I had you all convinced. I guarantee it. What's going on, Randy? Thank you for the 5 memberships. God bless you. Tiberius Sominator. Good morning. Good morning. Dutch Bear Lurker. Tuka Lurker and Mole Lurker. Got 3 lurkers and 2 good mornings. Thank you so much there, Randy. Lurker in the chat, baby. Lurkers, man. Just say good morning. Hopefully you're doing well. Randy, God bless you. Elionacci is the most accurate trader I've ever seen. No show, no trade groups, just multi 1000% trades over and over again. Yikes. The angle of the dangle, just Steve. I like it. I like it, man. The pump is here. Well, NASDAQ's pushing. This is good. Coming back into the range. Solana's dead. Jeez. Nasty. Don't worry, I'll tell you. Sometimes it is what it is. Brain don't be working like Durka. It's the brain. When the brain's working like Durka, it's on point, man. Right? How you doing, Randy? How's everything going? Tyson Daniel, good morning. Thank you for saying good morning. Good morning, Crusader. Good morning, Justin Verse. Good morning, Jewel, Rojan, Noah. Thank you for saying good morning. That's all we ask, man. Just say good morning. What's going on, man? Chris, SMRNDM guy. Cecil. What a name, man. You gotta figure that thing out. You bought Solana at 270. Ew, I'm sorry to hear that, Roth. I mean, 5 years down the line, I think Solana can go to $1,000. But damn, that's a bad entry. That's a bad entry. Trying to hold here. You can say thanks, Captain Obvious, you a-hole. You can say that to me if you want. Thank you, bro, for telling me I'm shite. I'm here for you. But I'm also here to tell the truth. That's the hard part about making crypto honest again. Sometimes you got to say things you don't want to hear. Like me telling JR for the last 2 years to manage his risk. Breaking down. The proto chicken's always forgotten. Listen to you on my way to work. Hope the little man's feeling better. He's still a little bit under the weather, Superman, but thanks for asking, man. God bless you, bro. Drive safe, man. Don't do anything I wouldn't, which is drifting. Don't drift too much. I got you, Mahesh. I got you. See, at least I convincingly brought up the data. He restarted his computer and everything. That's a win for me, man. Solana support level here. That feels like that's a lie. There's a lie. A Solana support level. Didn't even get to the order block, man. Didn't even get, just bleeding out here. See you later, Bitcoin. See you later, Solana. Nice knowing you. Damn. Well, it was fun while it lasted, guys. We're here for it. I'm here for it. I love it. You know what's the best thing about shorts is you get paid quickly, man. You get paid quickly. Look for a retest of previous lows, continuation down. Looking to get to 78. That's where we're looking. Liquidity, yeah, we're looking to come into here. Stair stepping, baby. Stair stepping. Biddy. Straight down. Looking to get to 64,800. Yikes. Damn, she rolling over, baby. 450 people in here bringing in the dump, 130 legs. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. God bless you. We're here live every morning. Taking trades, showing the trades. No trades right now. No trades right now. We are here for the dump. We are here for the pumps and the dumps. I was born in the bear market. I love this stuff. This stuff is good. This is the juice, man. Looking for a retest of previous lows here. Possibility for a continuation down. Bitcoin's coming into a little bit of a buy wall here. Not a big one. A little one. Liquidity of the lows, okay. Just rolling over quite aggressively right now. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. This is nasty. Big rejection. I'm glad we gave. This was the orb high yesterday, right here. This was the short area we gave yesterday in the Discord. Orb high. Not bad. I would say it's pretty good. It's a pretty good short level. Ripping the Band-Aid off now. You guys got to be short now. You guys put 2 in the chat or what? Coming for the low. Here's our low. Twos in the chat, baby. Send it to 0. Solana will go much down. We'll go down a lot. Much down is not a... I'm just trying to help you with your English, Roth. Solana will go down a lot further. Solana is going to die. But much down... You don't say much down. Much more. Much more further. Thank you for being here. I get to teach OC English every day too, which is fun. My chart prime friend. Sheesh. That's nasty. Very, very aggressive sell-off here, guys. Considering a short on Solana here, down to 78.92. Bitcoin rolling over. Support and resistance flip. Looking at something like this. Like quarter position size. Just looking to ride the lazy river, guys. I'm in. Little bit of a pushback. Mm-hmm. All right. Bitcoin's bouncing. Of course it bounces when I'm looking to short. Mm-hmm. Rolling over. Could get back up into these lows and then continue down. Mm-hmm. I'm just looking for follow through here. I might get out. I'm going to regret it if I get out. It's probably going to dump, but it's a little bit of an aggressive entry here. There. 3 seconds later. Anybody got the meme? 3 seconds later. It's a very aggressive entry. I'm happy if I make $100 off of this thing. Where are we looking? 78.9. All the way down there, really? All the way here. I mean, quarter position size, just looking to ride the lazy river, guys. That's it. If it pops back up and stops us out, whatever. I would prefer to short up at these lows. This is just a retest of support level, continuation down. It's a low confluence level, but I mean, the confluence is that everything is dying right now. There's the SFP of the low. Okay, take profit 2 hit. Wow. GG's in the chat. I'm going to close that there. $60. $60 is still $60, guys. SFP of the low here. Lower part of the regression downtrend. This is where you're typically looking for longs. That's all right. A win is a win is a win, man. I've made $65 today. Yeah, baby. Groovy, baby. Damn. Poor Bitcoin, man. Poor Bitcoin. We were once good friends. Now we're going to zero. This is good, though. This is like Just rip the damn Band-Aid off, man. Get it over with, right? We need a GG's emoji. That's true. We do. Maybe we'll remove Tony Sopranos then. I think that's the way. No, Tony Sopranos, they're irreplaceable, man. They're murdering everything, says Rick. Aggressive because there was not really a pullback. Yeah, right? So, like, typically when you're looking to trade this on the down, right, like we have a good support level here, but we are so overextended, right? So whenever something's breaking down, there's always that opportunity for, like, that last push in the V-shaped recovery. So it gets really risky when you get kind of down in here, right? Which is where we're at. So typically you're looking for continuation, but you want to be stop loss to entry, very aggressive, kind of take profits. Like your entry's up here, right? But it's not easy to catch. Everybody's head and shoulders up here. Sell wall in the Discord, which was the orb high yesterday, and this is not an easy place. And when you get very, very, very overextended, it's like you're bound to come back for all the late shorts, right? And if you're shorting down here, you are late, right? So you can scalp it. It's not entirely impossible, but it's also like pay yourself, base hit. Don't fight it, right? Don't really fight it. Just be aware. Because like we could push back like we are right now, so I'd be stopped out, break even right now. So it's good I took profits, but this could easily happen. We're obviously looking for this order block for something in here, continuation down. Nasdaq's pushing back here, higher bull divs, higher high. We'll see if it wants to make a higher low and continue. So just understanding where you are, right? Like if we're zoomed in here, we're gonna miss that we are like all the way down here and we're sweeping the lows right here, right? So just understanding where we're at in relative idea to price action, right? Liquidity has been taken now, right? The next area is down here and the liquidity of the lows way over here. This is our next area, right? We're looking to take this low, this liquidity out of this area here, and the golden pocket down below. That's where we want to take giga longs, macro trades, right? Look at that regression trend, man. Lower part of the regression trend holding up so far. Trying to push back here on Biddy. So into fair value gap. Retest the previous lows, something I'm interested in. VWAP's not doing anything for us right now, so we've swept that low now. So low has been swept, this orange line. Looking for a continuation shorts. Don't want to get caught in a pushback though. So let's be patient here. Thank you everybody for being on the live and hanging out. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. Nice candle pattern at the lows here. Still showing struggles, man. Good times. Thank you all 500 of you for bringing in the dump with me and hanging out. I mean, nothing like the morning dump, guys. Get that coffee in you. Get those short buttons out. Thank you for being here and hanging out. That's enough for a prosciutto sandwich. I don't know. You might not be able to afford the bread in Canada at this rate, Beck, man. You would only be able to afford 3 slices of prosciutto, very thinly cut, in Canada. Like and subscribe, guys, too, please. We're almost at 20K, man. 19,718. That's crazy, man. Thank you for being here. That's cool, man. Thank you for subscribing and hanging out. Even in the shitest market around, You're still here hanging out, taking trades, having fun, man. That's it. I mean, most traders have to go, like, you got to go through a bear market, man. I was built in the bear market. I started trading Terra Luna Collapse. There's nothing better than getting liquidated on a short that's up 10 grand when you first start trading. I didn't have money back then either. I'm not saying I have a boat ton now. I'm just saying I had no money back then. And I was up 10 racks. And I got liquidated. Oh, insane. Telling my wife I made it. We're all going to make it. I'm a day trader. 2 days in. Wild. Wild times, man. That's the way it's got to go. Build a bear market, yeah. Nice, great job. Cool, Mar. Thank you for being here. Andrew Cameron was here around 5K. Awesome, bro. The time she left, so good for you, yeah. Biggest wealth is made in the bear. Yeah, I agree. Amazing coffee and cigarette sesh. Let's go. That was my life, man. Coffee and smokes. I was just telling Wick that Alex makes it look so easy. What's that? What do I make look easy? I don't know. Not trading. That's for damn sure. Trading's hard. Did you not have a stop loss, or did price fly through it? Apparently that happened a bit on October 10th. October 10th, I made 5K, and I was out for a walk with my wife when everyone got liquidated. I was scalping. I was scalping in the morning. Then I went for a walk with my wife, and then the dump happened. So I wasn't around for it, and I'm pretty grateful. You know, that's God, man, protecting me from myself, in my opinion. That's me being removed from the situation. I was very lucky. I was referring to the short you were up 10K on Terra Luna Collapse. Oh, I got liquidated. Yeah, that's part of the journey story, man. Like I definitely got liquidated. I first started trading. I got scammed by an Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey video right here. I was in Frankie Candle's Discord, but I just started trading, and I shorted right here. And on my $1,000 account, 1K account, that was like all the money I had to put on, I shorted this thing. I was up $10,000, and then I was on cross margin. I was on cross margin, and then I shorted Solana as well, thinking, and I think I shorted Solana somewhere in here, and then the market bounced, right? And Solana and Bitcoin, the Solana position liquidated both of them, and my account was at a big, beautiful, fat zero. I remember I had the 10K unrealized, showing my wife, showing my wife's friend, showing my wife's mother. Okay, I showed them all. It was up 10K. And then I went upstairs later that evening, talked to my wife, and I said, it's gone. It's all gone. All of it. And then we cried. And that's how I started trading, man. The journey. Here's the journey. Then I degened for the rest of my life. Otter Gang was born. Started streaming. Built an account to 100K here. Then I went full-time trading. No paid. No sponsorships. No pays. Full-time trading in here. Paying my bills without any small YouTube, small everything. This is where I started the Discord. Okay, so I wasn't making any other money besides trading in here. Full-time. Okay? Traders helping traders, man. No bullshit here. that's it. Nice pushback here on Bitcoin. Nice pushback on Solana, retesting previous lows, continuation down possibility here. Little tap and go. Nasdaq flat. Bitcoin. That's the fun. Doji engulfing, trying to push back. Solana, nice pushback. Trend, yeah, trend continuation here. Not trying to short this yet. Reclaim of support level into order block. Pardon me. Froggy. Very aggressive dump here, guys. Coming back up. Shorts are building into this push. Shorts are building into this push. We'll see if it does want to roll over. Bitcoin looks really weak. Yeah, I'm short Solana. See if we can roll over here. Bitcoin's pushing now. Only a quarter position size. I can add a little bit if I want, but just looking for follow through down. Retest our previous lows as well. Nice short. Up 50. Retest our previous lows. Bitcoin looked weak. We have net shorts building as this price was pushing up here. Which tells me it's just a simple retracement, guys. Nothing special here. I mean, decent pushback. So, like, I wouldn't be surprised if we come into this block a little bit more, but I'm going to get mostly out of this thing here and take $100 and run. It's a little bit of a battle going on here. I'm out. There we go. All right, on to the next one. Holding that support level. Coming back down for maybe a bit early with the trigger finger here. I should be looking more at Bitcoin. Order block, 8 minute block here. Yeah. That's all right. Another one. Another quick little stab. Quick little trying to ride the wave down. It's trying to push back here, though, coming for late shorts. I just, I want... The thing with those trades, guys, is like, if you're breaking down like this, and you get in short here or here, like, you're so protected, you just let this baby run, You're looking for that escape, right? So, sometimes you catch it, sometimes you don't. But if you don't take the chance, right? Retest your previous lows, you short here, right? You're looking to short here, right? Same with Solana, right? You're looking to short here. So you're breaking down here, the lows, short here, the lows, short here, right? The low, short there, right? So if you don't take that, it's going to run away from you. And then your entry is even worse, right? Now, we are overextended down here. I do agree with that. So we're taking profits pretty aggressive in this area, but we'll see. If we get good bottoming structure, we could definitely look to long here as well. Don't get it completely twisted. I mean, we have taken the liquidity out of the lows here. So, right? We've swept that low. But Bitcoin looks weak as ever, man, right? And Solana's pushing back here. So if Bitcoin is about to roll over, but Solana's retraced, right? So Bitcoin's chopping right here, but Solana's retraced. Who am I going to take? I'm going to take Solana. I'm going to take Solana for the bigger ride, right? That's how I always do it, right? Because you can see Solana's done this. What has Bitcoin done? Nothing. It hasn't done that, right? So Bitcoin has not done that. It's just chopping and looking to roll over. Well, Solana's the better bet then, in my opinion. Right? So that's what I'm typically doing here. And then, yeah, Bitcoin, yeah, looks shite. Bitcoin looks shite. That's a very good analysis, Alex. Bitcoin looks shite because everybody here is going to subscribe and get us to 20,000 subscribers. And, because I say Bitcoin looks like shite. The best analysis in the game. Dave Digital has a new song for us, everybody. We got to play the pump up song. I don't know if it's any good, guys. I haven't even heard it, but I need coffee. So we're going to... I don't know if it's any good, Dave. It better be good. Wait, I got to listen to it too. The pump up song. Pump it, baby. Oh, man. Pump it, baby.
Let's go. Lord Island King Peter in the building. We identify as pretty rich.
We need some Molly for this song.
Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Don't be an envy. Pump it up. Coffee pump. Coffee long. Pump it. Push it up. V-Web slap. Give it the slap for rally. Certified liner. Off the floor. Ray Orbison. Kicking down the door. Click buttons. Make money. Click buttons. Make money. Make money. Don't top blast. Don't top blast. Take the money and run. Pay yourself fast. Don't top blast. Don't top blast. Take the money and run. Pay yourself fast. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Don't be a nasty poppy. Pump it up. Coffee pump. Coffee long. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Better sit low when the chips low. Pocket fat, watch a wallet grow. Fit the party like a disco. Stay true to the digital. Stay true to the digital. Hey, get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Get to the chopper. Get on the chopper. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Right. Pump it. Pump it. automotive gang, 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 gang. Let's go. Lord Allen, King Peter in the building. We identify as pre-rich. I said we identify as pre-rich. Pump it, pump it, push it up, pump it, pump it, push it up.
My neighbors must love me.
Pump it up, coffee pump, coffee love, pump it, push it up.
All right, so what do we get out of 10, guys? What do we need out of 10? Who is your daddy and what does he do? Guys, you take the pump or what? 100? 8s. We got some 8s. 5.7. I love it, Rick. 7s. 10s? Whiter than Carlton. That's me, man. Look at it's working. It's working. The long is, put a 1 in the chat if you're long as well. The song worked. Let's Top Blast. The Top Blast song is good. I like the Top Blast song. You guys are all long on the coffee indicator. You guys are sick, man. You guys are so sick. It's so disgustingly degenerate. I love it. You guys are so gross. If you're long this, you guys are gross, man. The Nasdaq's dying, and this is a short. I should have shorted here to counter trade all of you degens. I love you guys, man. Thank you for being here. Everybody longs on a coffee pump. I mean, the hit rate is pretty good, man. The coffee break hit rate it typically costs me about 5 Gs. Oh, man. This is not a 5G one, though. At least it's not a $5,000 coffee pump. You guys are sick. Look at that 8-minute order block, guys. See the power of order blocks, guys? First tap is the best tap. Rejection. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. I judge by how many people actually stayed for this stream, and we only lost 10 people. So I think the pump song did okay. I mean, who else is here in the bear kicking ass, taking names with all you guys? Let's go over to the YouTubular areas here. Oh, man. Who's live? We got Ben Cowan. We got Tino. Tino's got 800 people watching him, man. He's famous, bro. We got Jay Dunny. I don't know what he's doing. We got a whole bunch of live traders online. At least only one of them's using open mouth thumbnails, and that's Piano Matty B. But we love Piano Matty B. He's top notch, man. God bless you, Piano Matty B. Anybody take the order block short? That was the trade. Look at this. Printing. Already. Retest the previous highs. Continuation up. NASDAQ trying to push. No trade for me right now. 2 trades today. $50. And $40. We're up $90 today, guys. We're on our way to $1 million. Oh, well. It's a very sporadic price action, guys. Our job is to be patient here, really. Solana absolutely wrecked on the way up here. On the way down, I should say. Sorry. A little bit of buying pressure coming in here at $80. Psychological level support. You know what? One thing I don't have is a lot of X followers. let's do that. How do I see like if you've subscribed? How do I see if you've subscribed to me on X? I don't even know how to do X. I don't do my X's, okay? I keep I'm loyal to my wife. I got 2,800 followers on X. I mean, I don't pay too much attention to X that much. I do and I don't. I don't know how to. I'm not a content creator, guys. I don't know how to get engagement on X, and just I don't give two shits to look it up how to do it. I really don't know. I don't even know how to do like the live stream on X. Like I've set it up where I can like, where is it? X Media. I don't know how to do this shit. I tried a couple times and I'm like, this is bullshit. I ain't doing this. Maybe Piper needs to come and give me a crash course on how to not be a namby-pamby with this social media shit, because I ain't good at it, man. I'm really not. I use AI for my thumbnails. You guys, what does the thumbnail get today, guys? I told you I made some new thumbnails. What does the thumbnail get today? I used the red one today because it was dying. What do you guys think? I think I should get my teeth whitened. You think the AI will do that? Let me see here. Google AI. I have it saved under my tabs as gay. Look. Over here. Here's the tab. Look. Google AI is right here. This one right on the Google AI. It's saved as gay. Look, this is the tab. This is the tab. Gay. We'll go to Nano Banana Dough. Nano Banana Dough. All right. Let's see if it'll make my teeth white. How do we do this here? Okay, home, studio. Let's go to Nano Banana Dough. I don't want Gemini 3. I want Nano Banana. Image. Teeth whiten. Guys, you want to see what it did? Do you want to see what it did to my teeth, guys? All I wanted was some white teeth, guys. All I wanted was some white teeth. Now it's choppy into market open, guys. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. The model is loading my teeth. Why is it taking so long? Bitcoin rejection off order block, continuation down. This is going to be... I don't know if I have patience to wait for this. Gave you horse teeth, I bet. Guys. I'm fucking... 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 Don't forget to like and subscribe. This guy tells the truth. This guy tells the fucking truth. Fuck. They're straight. They're even straight, guys. They even straighten my teeth out. I'm done. Fucking. If I open my mouth in the middle of the night, it wakes me up. And I'm a mouth breather. Oh, shit. At night when I'm walking to take a pee, all I do is smile so I can see where I'm going. When I lose something in my car and it falls down the side, all I do is look down there and smile, and then I can find it. Turn your flashlight on. Yeah, I got you, bro. Whoa, that was fast. All right. Retest the previous lows. No strength here. NASDAQ chopping sideways. Still bleeding out here. Trying to push back here. Downtrending momentum. Overextended. I would like to see like bottoming structure here. So like something where you take the low before I get long. If we're going to get long in here. No trade right now. Still waiting. Holding support here for Solana. Trying to push back. We look for like some sort of head and shoulders here, right, to form. No trade right now. Just smiling, man. Just extremely grateful for you guys hanging out here. And I can see in the dark. Yeah, I'm gunning for Rudolph's job, Dave. Mr. Beast Teeth. Put the ranch as your background. Yeah, that's the one. Oh. Good morning, AlexOCrypto, Curtis Hill. Hey, guys, man, if you ever need to lighten up, let me know. I got you. I'm smiling for days, man. What did I get on my rating for my new thumbnail? Did you guys give me a rating for my new thumbnail? No, you guys gave me zeros. We just got carried away like we always do here. Just carried away talking smack. No trade here though, guys. This is a bear flag. Consolidation sideways into market open. We got 6 minutes. 5 minutes, really. So we'll see what materializes for today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Supporting the channel. Smacking the like buttons. All that good stuff. Subscribing if you're new. Welcome. We're here every morning helping you guys navigate the chart. What do we have, right? We have Bitcoin bleeding out. Very simply. Downwards trend, right? Downwards trend bleeding out here. So if this and that, where's the liquidity, right? Shorts, liquidity. I mean, they've swept a lot, right? So there's still liquidity in here, but this guy's going to be the VIP, right? And just below there's our golden pocket that we never tapped, right? 63 is a very good macro support level. If we zoom out and we look at, this area in here, and we daily time frame right now, and we look at this area, we would look for this thing to hold around 63. Okay? 63, golden pocket as well. When we go back to the 4 hour here, what do we see? Right? We're trying to hold on right here, but we've lost 67, guys. Like I said the other day, we lose 67, which was here, point of control now, right? We lose 67, we're going to 63. Right? We go swing low to swing high. Right? Golden pocket 786. So we are looking for giga longs in here. Okay? And it's probably going to go to the 886 Piper Platinum Pocket thingy. This will be a swing long level. Okay? It does, but we need structure and confirmation, in my opinion. Okay, otherwise, guys, we're dropping, man. We're coming down to 60, right? We're coming down to these lows again. I do not think these guys are safe. 72, I don't think is safe. I want 74.5. But don't fight the trend, guys. Don't fight the trend right now. Okay. Market cipher looks absolutely like a turd burglar. It's just rolling over here. Okay. red dot confirmed yesterday. 12-hour rolling over 2. Failed to make a higher low. Pretty equal lows now. 8-hour money flow coming out. Trying to hold the higher lows. Not doing a good job. Bleeding out as well. The 4-hour here trying to push back. No pushback. Okay, so need to see the anchor trigger wave. That's what we want to see. We don't see that anywhere. Right? The 3, same deal. 2, same deal. 1 hour, same effing deal. Just trigger waves are for shorting. That's it, baby. Trigger waves are for shorting. You short these trigger waves to the downside and you make the moolah. Okay, you look at this. Very simple. The money is in the retracement. The money is in the retracement. Okay? Very simple. But not easy. Not easy. A lot of people don't know how to short. So what do I suggest? If you don't know how to short and you're used to longing, invert your chart, right? What do we have right now? Uptrend, rip into the upside, right? Bearish divergence, possible retracement back in, continuation up, right? Retest to previous highs. That's what we're looking for. Invert your chart back. Now apply it this way. Okay, there you go. There's your trade setup. Keeping it simple, right? If this, then that. Invert your chart. It will help you. I'm going to keep that on there. I'm going to make this neon green so we know. Okay. Failing to push. Solana resistance. Coming into market open. We got a minute and a half. Trigger wave to the downside. Can it rip us down or are we going to get a pushback? NASDAQ rolling over. Not looking too strong as well. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. Taking the trades, showing the trades. We're up like $90 today. Not using a lot of position size. Just trying to be patient and wait for the setups. That's it. That's our job. We've just swept the low. We are breaking down aggressively. Now we wait. Bottom of the regression trend line. Okay, so we have this big ass regression trend line. We are looking for longs down here. Generally. What's better to long? We're better to long on confirmation. Okay. Confirmation if we're going to go counter trend. Remember, retracements, not swings. Retracements, not swings. Can we go lower? Absolutely. We'll see. Bitcoin's struggling to push back here. Market's open in 4 seconds. Thank you everybody for being here. Smacking likes, hanging out. God bless you guys. 550 people here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Let's see if we push. Expecting a gap down for the SPY here. There it is. Big gap down, which means we can fill it if we come back up. Big gap down. NASDAQ rolling over. Bitcoin trying to hold on here for dear life. Not doing a great job. Solana up at the downtrending momentum. Order block tap. Possible short opportunity here. Just not taking it just yet. Let's see how market opens. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. Trying to push. Trying to push back. Looking for some relief. SPY, yuck. Gap down. Yeah, gap down. There's a gap here that we should be interested in as well. No strength here. Biddy, no strength. Yikes. Yikes. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new. You guys don't give a F about the chicken or the egg. Okay, sorry for the poll. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Doji engulfing to the downside here. A little bit of a pushback here for the SPY. Nothing too sexy. It's pretty ugly, guys. It's pretty ugly. It's more like a simulation, says Anthropic. Yeah. Good to see you, Miss Anthropic. Thank you for being here. She probably throw you out her home. You probably be upon apartments all alone. Bye bye, Mr. Bitcoin guy. Damn, Daniel. You guys got to put some twos in the chat. All you guys who are short from up here, you guys put some twos in the chat, man. Great job. Great job. You waking up at the right time. That's all you did. You shorted London, baby. Put some twos in the... But you're still not ready for the 4 elements. Can you stop spitting in my ear? Some people like that, bro. I don't know. I don't think I've ever had someone say spit in my ear. You know? Dump it. Rip it off, man. Rip the Band-Aid off. Send it to 0. Nasty. No trades. Still waiting. Still waiting here. No trades. Holding this support here. Solana needs to come to 78. Damn, Bitcoin dying. NASDAQ trying. Bitcoin sweeping down. NASDAQ holding. SPY holding. Solana holding. Wick test on Solana. Possible short. Continuation down. Bitcoin rolls over. Yep. Here it goes. Bye-bye. See you later. Damn, Bitcoin. You ugly. You ugly today, man. Congratulations on your shorts, everybody. NASDAQ rolling over, SPY rolling over, Bitcoin rolling over. Solana holding up here. We might short Solana. Let's short Solana. Maybe. I think Solana's got to come here. Bitcoin holding on for dear life here. See, it's stalling at the lows here. Could pop back pretty quickly here. No trade here. Solana trying to hold on here. NASDAQ down, SPY down, Bitcoin down. Nasty, guys. Big dump coming through. There's the pop back for late shorts, trapping shorts. Trapping shorts pushing back here. NASDAQ. Bitcoin pushback aggressive. Very aggressive. Coming back for late shorts. NASDAQ pushing back as well. Bitcoin trying to push back here. Can it get going? Can it get going? Bitcoin trying to push. Bull divs trying to push. No push. Gonna have a nice orb today, guys. Possibly long Solana here, back up. If we get back up to VWAP, it would look something like that. Bitcoin's got to go, though. Same with the NASDAQ and the SPY. Need a bounce here, otherwise no long. No follow through on the Bitcoin pushback here. Weak. Go, go, go. It's gotta push here. If it pushes here, we can get long. Let's go. Coming back for late longs. Late shorts. TP1 hit. I'm long Solana. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Quick 900. As soon as it pushed, man, hammered it. As soon as it pushed, man, I hammered it. Let's go. Let's go to Valhalla today, baby. Let's go all the way back up to these guys here. Boom, 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 boom. How about that spitting in your ear? Boom, 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 boom. Ladies and gentlemen, absolute top blast. Boom, 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 boom. Nice push, man. We'll see if we keep going, man. Harvey leave. Yeah, I mean I'm not here for your attention, really. I'm here to hang out and trade with people. I'll let you think about it, Harvey, if you want. Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing but I gotta bust the Wu-Tang every now and then for Tony, man. Come on, push. Horrible entry, but off of momentum. Bitcoin left the building, man. Look at Bitcoin. It's leaving the building, coming up to this bigger order block here. We'll see. NASDAQ, no bounce. SPY, no bounce. So, could be short-lived here, guys. Most trades in this market are short-lived. Let's be real. Most trades in this market are short-lived. Right? So, we pay ourselves very aggressively. There it is. Yeah. You're nasty, Solana. You're nasty, man. 900. We're up $1,000. We're up $1,000 to start the day, baby. We're up a grand to start the day. Hip, hip, hooray. And of course it's going to go now. Of course it's going to go. Here was our entry. Let's just bask in the fact that we got stopped out here. Carol Baskins. I mean, up to VWAP. VWAP's always a good target for Solana. It's not necessarily an entry. I don't use VWAP for entries on Solana. I use it for take profits mostly. GG's in the chat, though. Nice trade. Nice trade. Easy momentum continuation trade. You saw Bitcoin. Bitcoin's pushing, right? Bitcoin swept and bounced. Whenever you see the price action stall and it sits there, it's building shorts, guys. They build shorts. So we saw that this morning. We can go into a 1 minute candle here. We can go into a 30-second candle, right? So look, it looks very aggressive on the 3 minute. What are they doing? They're stalling it out, stalling it out, stalling it out, right? Making you wait, thinking, oh, we should short this to zero. And boom, they come back and they liquidate these people, right? They trap traders, right? So with the SFP, everybody who knows the rules, right? You got to get back into here. That's where you long, right? That's where you long. You're protected here. You're not protected down here. And you have clear invalidation if you're wrong. Right? We go to the 3 minute. It doesn't look anything special here. 1 minute. You got a one doji, but you get a candle close back within the range, guys. That's it. You're long off that candle close back within the range. Bull divs, SFP, continuation trade. There goes Solana to fucking Valhalla, man. Piss me off. Ugh, piss me off. I should have re-entered or something. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. We're going into the Discord trading after this as well. Congratulations, guys. There's my $1,200 extra. That's my $2,000 trade right there. Gone. Nice push. Nice push. Nice push. Push all around. Bitcoin coming up to downtrending momentum here, trying to break out. Good long, everybody. Good long. AlexOCrypto is going to be pissed. One thing I got to work on too is like I'm still like I'm up this week. I'm up like $5.5 grand this week, but I'm still thinking about yesterday's $2,000 loss for the day. Right? I just took some stupid trades yesterday. Like I started trading bigger size in the evening, which was stupid. I took like a couple of bad trades. Like I was trading very small, good, easy trades, and then hey man, we're all learning together. At the end of the day, I was okay with a 2,000 down day. 1% loss, 0.5% loss of the day. It's okay, man. When you get into those 4%, 5% of the portfolio loss days, that's when it really hurts, man. Small wins, small losses, big wins, small losses. Always small losses, right? Be the turtle. Be patient. Be disciplined. Or get wrecked. There's always option number 3. Overtrade, get wrecked, FOMO at the top. Are you guys all long now? You guys all top blasting? I think you're all top blasting. This is for the gang. Top blasting, baby, with AlexOCrypto. Let's go. Let's get some modders in the chat, everybody. Come on, let's spam this thing, man.
all the gang, let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by week, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wagon chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Market maker saw my order, that dirty rascal. Hunting my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waited for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an on the plan, babe. Don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady. That's the
Neckline retest.
Bitcoin
neckline retest.
Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto honest to Dan. That's the plan. But top lesson trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes. Join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. But let's crypto. Talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, bye.
We're here for you, Miss Anthropic. GG's, everybody. Nice long, everybody. Hopefully you all caught the trade. If not, there's always more, guys. There's always more. Trying to hold orb top right now. Retest halfway back down the candle. Halfway down the candle. Continuation up. Body of the candle. Remember, it's always the body. If you're looking for halfway down the candle, it's the body. Here's your body. Right? You can go halfway up, halfway down the body, continuation trade, right? Banger, continuation. Okay, a little bit of stalling out here, guys. Good trade to start the morning volatility. Very choppy here on the Nas, very choppy here on the SPY. So a little bit of patience. Up about $1,200 now. Happy days. See if we can push, or if we're not going to. We're up at the tops chopping here. Trapping longs, right? Trapping longs at the highs. We got a breakout, so we look for a retest back into this area here. And possible continuation up. Otherwise, we are just retesting necklines, basically. Right? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Nope, lower highs, lower lows, right? So we're just retesting over and over again. Right? You can see this, right? High, low. High, retested the lows, right? Low, retested the low, retested the low, right? So it's just very simple structure on the way down. Head and shoulders necklines higher, but we'll see. And then, yeah, head and shoulders necklines all the way up here at 66.6. Blasting right through that thing. You got to go swing high to swing low and be more accurate with our golden pocket here because it is lower. There we go. We'll be doing live trading in the Discord right after the stream here. So if you're in the Discord, we jump right into the Discord and continue to trade for another 45-ish minutes. Showing you the trades, taking the trades in the Discord. Good times. Little follow through for Bitcoin. NASDAQ trying to push back up. SPY as well. We got news coming out tomorrow, guys, if you didn't know. If you didn't know. News tomorrow. Core PCE. Nice breakout here for Bitcoin. Nice breakout. Continuation up. Solana not following suit, but has pushed up quite aggressively off of the lows here. Cheeky low put in by Solana. Very cheeky. Bitcoin's got the bull div, right? Solana higher lows. Interesting. We'll see. Yeah, chop, 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 chop. Order block. I like this guy, if I'm being honest. We're looking for this thing to pull back, man. Retest the previous highs into here. We'll see. Aggressive move out. This is just, this to me, you can't. I mean, you could top last if you want, but I wouldn't suggest it. I would be patient here. Just waiting. 590 people in here today, man. You guys are wild. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Don't forget to use the Bitunix link. Best link for Bitunix. Pinned in the comments. You get VIP for 6 months, man. VIP 3 for 6 months. Deposit bonuses. Trading volume bonuses. Don't forget to use that link and support the channel. I appreciate you guys using the link and being part of the family. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting me and supporting the gang. Looking to push. Continuation up. Continuation up. Looking good here. You guys are all gig along with AlexOCrypto, and AlexOCrypto got stopped out by the stupid wick here, man. Stupid. Look, it's so aggressive, man. We were long right here, and this guy got me right here. This bastard. This bastard. Otherwise, we'd be up 2K right now. It's an expensive stop out. This candle, I will remember you. I have a specific set of skills. Look at that. Nice push. Nice push. Bitcoin ripping. Here's that TP at the VWAP for Soy Boy Lana. Bitcoin slapping it as well. Looking for possible retracement here. Slap here. Continuation here. All right. Order block now up top here. So we have an order block here. I would look at lower orb, really. Lower orb, lower. Not lower orb, sorry. Lower part of the top of the orb. Nice push and go here. NASDAQ pushing and going as well. SPY, yeah, crawling its way back after a gap down this morning. Looking okay. I mean, this is no trade zone. I think we did the best job of taking the trade where we did. The SFP setup was in here for the Discord if they took it. For Bitcoin, we took Soy Boy Lana. Stopped out, man. That's okay. I mean, I'm not gonna complain about making $1,200 today, but I'm gonna complain about making $1,200 today. Okay. Push you, Nambi Patenby. All right. Trading View giving anyone else problems? Up 1,200. Stop whining. Yeah. I know. But it's, look at the pump on this thing, man. Look at the pump, man. As somewhat of a former semi-decent musician, you're going to do the last 16 bars? I don't even, I only went to 1 bar, Scratching, dashing. So much love here, yeah. Got the Hershey squirts, man. Yeah, man, don't get the Hershey squirts. It's the worst, especially when you're up on the scaffold. Says rewards are over on Bitunix. That has ended. It shouldn't. It shouldn't. The Bitunix link should work. It's refreshed and rejigged. It should be good to go. If you have any issues, just open up a ticket. I'll help you in the Discord. Doji engulfing candle rolling over here. Pull back. It's hard to be patient when price is ripping, right? It's hard to be patient. The patients get paid though. Patience gets paid. Remember that when you're trying to top blast. Target hit for the VWAP on Soy Boy Lana, coming back to retest top of the orb. Still no trades after that beautiful long that we got stopped out of, that I'm complaining about still. Still complaining. Still complaining. I'm complaining because, why? Because I lost 2 Gs yesterday and I'm pissed off about it. Because they weren't good trades. That's why I'm mad. My memory is still haunting me. VWAP, rejection, rotation down. NASDAQ, retest to previous highs, continuation up. SPY, just crawling nicely, onwards and upwards. Tough day for me too. You made 5K and lost it? Yeah. I know, put it behind me, yeah. That news data today is really helping with the pumps. Yes. It's fire, Dylan. It's all about that news that came out at 8:30 that we were highly anticipating. Stop whining. Say it like Arnold. Stop whining. Stop being a namby-pamby. Get to the chopper. All right? Stop whining. Tomorrow will be the same news. Yeah, tomorrow's going to be it's going to be a great. Can't wait for tomorrow's news as well. This could be just a stop loss hunt on all the shorts, guys. That's the thing. We're downtrending right now. So anybody short Solana VWAP? I guess I should have shorted Solana VWAP. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, didn't, right? Stop whining. Okay. Trend is still up. It's just pullbacks are for buying. Up only applies, but we'll see. A little VWAP turbulence here. Caught in the middle, right? So when you're caught between orb and VWAP, in my opinion, this is no trade zone. Right? What you want is longs from here, or you want shorts from breaking down as well. You want to see clear breakdown. Right? But you want longs are more for down in here. Because you want to have enough oomph to get going. You want to squeeze the juice, right? And there's not that much juice to squeeze between these two. Back into the range for the NASDAQ. Man, if we just chop for the rest of the day, I'll be so upset. That's typically how it's gone, though, guys. Like, if we look at yesterday, we get the violence, right? The violence. Get the bull div, the violence, and then the chop. Look at this chop. Yesterday, we were watching the hockey game. That's how bored we were. We did a VWAP video and watched the hockey game, right? We'll see. Trying to hold, trying to push back here. Overextended market cipher. Still got room to go here on coming to the median of this downtrending regression trend. Retest of the lows, golden pocket, rejection level here on Bitcoin. VWAP slap again. I would short this, but we're against trend, right? Like bigger trend, yes, we're down, but short-term time frame, we are pumping. There's no reason to short VWAP here. Okay, there's no reason to short VWAP here. There's no reason to enter a trade right here, in my opinion. Spirit fingers, guys. Spirit fingers in the chat, or Wu-Tangs in the chat. Handyman, skis in the chat. Skis are in the chat. Cuban shorted it. Cubanadian, he shorted it. Send it to hell. Let's go, man. I hope so. I hope it dumps for you, man. I hope it dumps for you. I hope this goes to zero, Cubanadian. I love it. You're short on Solana right here. Whew. I hope it dumps for you, bro. The bullish momentum. The NASDAQ looks strong here. So does the SPY. This looks strong, man. VWAP. So for me, this is like push out, retest VWAP, and long. Or push out, bottoming structure on orb and long. But don't fade this move, bro. This is strength. And there's liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. I mean, these guys got wrecked. We got a balloon giraffe pattern in here. Right? Big ass giraffe tongue, right? You see how long those guys' tongues are? They're like chameleons with a long neck, man. Right? NASDAQ looks strong. NASDAQ's leading the way, guys. The pullback continuation here. Pullback continuation. Aggressive move through VWAP's typically bullish. Golden pocket 786 resistance here. Retest of the neckline of the head and shoulders here. All right, here's your retest of the head and shoulders. Still waiting here, no top blasting. Thank you everybody for being here and supporting the channel. Hanging out here. Qu'est-ce que c'est? French toaster, tu parles français? Hockey was great, little Jesus. Gotta love it, man. No trade zone. Yeah, I know. Well, I mean, we got the long in, guys. We got the long in. So it's like, I'm being positive now. Got the long in here, made $900. Yes, we didn't make 2,000, but we got the long in. So good job. Good call today. Good patience down here. A couple little short scalps, right? But we knew we were overextended, and we knew we were at the bottom of the trend line, guys. Bottom of the regression trend line. We had swept liquidity, right? So we know that we could potentially bounce from here, at least up into here, right? This is aggressive, overextended. What do? Right? So we waited for strength and confirmation. We got long on Solana, and we took this puppy up, and we made money. Good job. GG's for everybody who took that, right? But it's the process, right? We understood we were overextended. We took a couple of weak little shorts in here, right? We got the SFP, reclaim of the range, and we saw the strength come in. We long Solana, and we took the money, right? So you got to give yourself, flowers for good market analysis as price materialized, right? Good market analysis, good interpretation of price action, maybe a little bit of poor execution with my stop loss here. But, how am I supposed to know that this thing is going to go up? Okay, the entry was here. Great entry, right? I should have maybe put my stop here. But, we took profit on this pump, and then this bastard got me. That's fine. That's fine. We take the money out of this market. This market is not nice. Look at this double top now. Where are we coming? Retest the previous lows for Cubanadian, right? So reward yourself on good interpretation as well. Reward yourself on getting stopped out as well, right? Like yesterday we got stopped out for $600. We flipped long, we made 700, then we took another trade and we made another 700. Then in the afternoon I took 2 stupid trades and I lost about $3,500 on 2 trades. Right? I show the losses too. I ain't perfect, right? I show the losses too. That's from yesterday. That was yesterday afternoon, like an absolute idiot, right? Stupid, man. Just stupid. Giving it back after a good trading session, right? But that's how it goes, right? It doesn't have to go that way, but sometimes it goes that way. Got to be okay with it. Double top here, rolling over. Dump it for Cubanadian, man. Just dump it, man. Dump it, dump it, dump it. Key resistance here on NASDAQ. Just send it back. Send it back to 0 for the Cubanadian, man. Get him paid. Get him paid. Double top. VWAP slap. Rotation down here. Coming down to 80, 80, 30. 80, 30. That's where we're going. That's where we're going. Okay. Looking to rotate order block, hanging man, engulfing candle. There's another bullish pattern. Looking good. Trying to hold orb. Choppy at the whoppy, baby. Choppy at the whoppy. Thank you guys for being here. Money flow is curving up on the 3-minute. I'm new here. What is this SFP? So it's a stop loss hunt. It's a swing failure pattern. Okay, so it's basically you got a low established here. You got to push up and then you sweep the liquidity out of that low, right? So you come down and you sweep and you bounce, right? Okay. You come down, you sweep and you bounce, right? It's typically you create liquidity, you put in a low, and then you sweep that low, and then you come back within the range. And it's typically a good reversal pattern. To trade, you got to trade it on confirmation, though. You can't just take this short or this long here because you're going to get wrecked. Because a lot of the time, it continues to fall. So you have to have rules around this move in order to protect yourself from... Like if you took this like as an SFP right here, you'd probably be wrecked. You need to have rules. You need to understand what defining a range is. I can't tell you all the secrets. We teach this in the Discord, but it's a swing failure pattern. So you'll come up, you'll put in a high, you'll sweep the high, and you'll dump, right? It's a liquidity grab. It's a stop loss hunt, right? So this is where if people are longing this low, they're putting their stop loss below this low, and they're looking for this trade, well, they get stopped out, and then they send the price in the opposite direction. There's ways to trade it and make money off of it. But like I said, in here, you need to see the strength in the move back in. Otherwise, you're really just gambling, and with this move, it's so dangerous that you get wrecked because there's no way you're putting your stop loss in that fast. It'll just roll over and wreck you, right? So when it's doing the waterfall, you don't touch it, man. Don't touch the waterfall. Let the waterfall flow. Jump on the waterfall. When the waterfall changes and it wants to go the opposite direction, then you can jump on the opposite direction. And then you can go back onto the waterfall and jump off and enjoy the waterfall ride again. Nice short Cubanadian. Let's go, man. Cubanadian with the balls of steel, baby. Are you still in it? Or did you get stopped out? Are you still in it or did you get stopped out? Be honest. Did you get stopped out? Did you close it? Did you get a little bit shaken? Or do you have the diamond balls? Everybody? Cubanadian? Stopped out. Break even. Ah. Ah, bro. Losing orb. Rotation down. Failure to push, man. You got to see. No. I heard it as a liquidity sweep. Yeah, liquidity sweep. SFP. Stop hunt. Those diamond nets aren't on your screen. They're on your... they're on your eye sockets. They call it Arabian goggles. Have you ever heard that? Do the Arabian goggles? Anyways, it's too far, man. It's too early for Arabian goggle talk, okay? Send it to 0. NASDAQ dumping. SPY is dumping. This market sucks, man. That's why we have to have a good laugh, man. You push these nuts on the screen. You're gonna put them on my keyboard, man. Are they chocolate and salty? Are they chocolate and salty? Don't forget, guys, news tomorrow at 8:30. We'll be ready. We prep a day in advance here, okay, guys? Good morning, everything. Good to see you, bro. They're caramel and syrupy. I'm done. I'm so done, man. Well, let's send you over to the Piper Academy. We're gonna jump right into the Discord and see if we can find some more trades. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for hanging out here, man. Great long today, up 1,200. We'll see what happens for the rest of the day. Big dump coming. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.